Texas's transportation system plays a vital role in supporting our economy by accommodating the movement of people and goods in a safe and reliable manner. However, an average of 10 people are killed on Texas roadways every day. The Road to Zero program has been adopted by the Texas Transportation Commission with the goal of achieving zero deaths on our roadways by 2050, with a midway goal to cut fatalities in half by 2035. Furthermore, an average urban commuter spends an extra 42 hours of travel time on roads each year, as compared to traveling at free-flow conditions. This results in an extra 19 gallons of fuel consumed, which amounts to an average cost of $960 per commuter each year. Traffic accidents and congestion also impact the efficient movement of freight along our roadways in both urban and rural corridors. Transportation Systems Management and Operations, or TSMO, is a nationwide program to optimize the performance of our existing transportation infrastructure by preserving capacity and improving security, safety, and reliability. TxDOT's current policy expects all districts to install traffic management systems as part of construction projects, ensure that at least 90% of the equipment is operational, provide proper system coverage, implement strategies to improve traffic flow, and align with TSMO practices. In addition, TSMO includes a broad range of strategies such as traffic signal coordination, freight management, service patrols, work zone management, traffic incident management, transit management, traveler information, managed lanes, integrated corridor management, active traffic management, rural emergency response, and other programs including the application of emerging technologies. TSMO also includes low-cost enhancements that can be implemented quickly to improve operational safety or reduce congestion on the highway system. These projects include signage, striping, traffic calming, and intersection improvements. TSMO is a performance-based approach aimed at improving our multimodal transportation systems. Performance measures are monitored and applied to support continuous improvement. Such measures include travel time reliability, crash rates, incident clearance times, and operational uptime of our traffic management systems assets. Performance measures are also used to ensure that we're achieving a high return on our investments in the TSMO program within metro, urban, and rural areas. TSMO provides an opportunity to foster a higher level of collaboration among TxDOT departments, as well as external agencies, to improve our business processes, systems and technologies, culture, and develop a workforce to meet our needs for tomorrow. TSMO will change the way we operate our transportation management centers in transforming from reactive to proactive operations. Video walls and workstations will begin to post real-time and predictive performance metrics to improve situational awareness, enabling our operations staff to apply artificial intelligence in implementing traffic mitigation strategies in a proactive manner. As emerging technologies advance, they'll be mainstreamed into our systems, laying the foundation for building the transportation infrastructure of the future. These technologies include connected, automated, shared, electric vehicles, and mobility-on-demand programs. In recent years, TxDOT has invested in the development of the statewide TSMO Strategic Plan, district program plans, and updates of its ITS implementation plans. Our achievements include developing gap plans to infill needed ITS devices to make our TMS infrastructure more robust and effective, implementing wrong-way detection and smart work zone systems in support of Road to Zero, leveraging our statewide traffic incident management team to becoming a national leader in providing training to nearly 80% of responders, and more. Now that the planning phase approaches completion, our current focus turns towards implementing the strategies and solutions recommended in these plans to enable our staff and partners to become more efficient in building a safe, reliable, and resilient transportation system.